Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, building in time. Has your partner ever said something that triggers you to respond with a harsh comment? Did the interaction escalate into a heated argument? Perhaps you both even walked away feeling angry, frustrated, confused, and disappointed. So let's look at what happened. Your brain is basically wired to protect you for survival. In both your left and right hemisphere, there is an almond-shaped area called the amygdala that is connected to your feelings of fear. An important job of the amygdala is to keep you safe at all costs. So when faced with a threat, your amygdala fires rapidly and engages your fight or flight survival behaviors. All this happens faster than a blink of your eye. Most importantly, your amygdala cannot distinguish between degrees of danger. A threat is a threat, and size does not matter. This means that your brain engages in survival behavior if you're being chased by a tiger in the jungle, or, more commonly, if your partner gives you the look or the tone. Logically, we understand the differences between these two examples. One is for survival and one is not. But your system can't distinguish the differences and floods by overreacting to a non-life-threatening situation. So you can be left feeling angry, frustrated, confused, and disappointed. So try the following tips to change the pattern. Memorize these 3 words. Build in time. When your amygdala has fired and there is no physical threat, you must build in time so your nervous system can reset and return to normal. Here are 2 key ways to reset your nervous system. First, breathe. Close your eyes and focus on breathing deeply. Breathe all the way down to your belly. These deep breaths send a signal to your defense system and apply the brakes on your survival behaviors. Second, to build in time is to not respond immediately to what your partner has said. This simple act can de-escalate the situation in a crucial moment. Then, when your body has calmed down, you can revisit the topic with your partner in a softer and safer tone. You might even picture yourself zipping your lips to build in time for a softer response. Practice these 2 techniques for a while, then add some advanced methods to reset the process. For example, in a soft voice, say to your partner, "I'm going to need some time to think about what you just said." Or, "When I'm more grounded, I'll share my thoughts with you." Remember, you don't have to respond immediately. Building in time helps both of you. Finally, one partner often takes longer to calm down and reset their nervous system. So if your partner needs time to reset, make sure you respect that process and give them the time needed. Your conversation will be more connected and loving when you demonstrate that level of respect. So until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.